Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your favorite troubleshooting channel, Fix Netflix YouTube channel. Today we will show you how to access the secret service menu on Philips TV. There are a lot of different codes on internet, but they do not work for all modern Philips TVs. Here is tested code to enter secret service menu, tested by me on all series. If you stay with us all the way to the end of this video and try each of these methods, and there is very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Before trying to enter the service menu, you have to ensure the Philips TV original remote. At first turn on your Philips TV. Then press 062596, then OK button. Here is the service menu of your TV, and you can customize all default settings. But remember to take picture on your mobile phone so that you can back original settings. To exit from service menu, please press the exit button. So, that's the whole story, my friends. We have covered the steps to access service menu on Philips TV. If you face any problem, please leave a comment here. I will be happy to help you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Fix Netflix for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in the next video.